Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Julie Brown. She's one of the 4-H agents here in Warren County. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, you have brought some yummy treats to the set today. They look yummy and healthy.
That's right. So, we're all still at home and, we're probably starting to run out of some ideas. We've been playing the board games quite a bit at my house. We've been watching, TV, catching up on some movies the kids have not seen before. And what better way is to talk about healthy snacks? Because with my kids, they would rather go grab their Easter candy than think about grabbing some fruits or some pretzels or some vegetables while we're playing these games.
Exactly, Julie. And it looks like you've made this so colorful and inviting. So tell us what you've done.
So my thought is when you do this, you can be like, this is your container out of the muffin tins. And once they eat that, then they're done.
So you have cupcake liners
yes.
in the muffin
just
tins.
Simple cupcake liners, that you can pick up at any grocery store or anything like that. And you just put those in. And you can also get them in the kitchen. So the first thing I started with is your vegetables. So I went with hummus, took the kids actually with me yesterday at the grocery store. They picked out what flavor hummus they want. So you can pick, this is the red pepper one. You'll just put a dollop in your cupcake. And then you pick out the vegetables. Let them pick out vegetables that they like. If they don't like any, then it's time to try some new ones. So we just added in some carrots, some broccoli, some cucumbers. You could add in peppers. You could add in tomatoes, whatever you have on hand, whatever they enjoy, with the hummus. If they've never had hummus before, this is perfect time instead of doing ranch dressing. This would be a protein for them to add in instead of, a dressing.
And I think it's a great time to really bring the kids into the kitchen.
Yes.
Maybe they haven't had an interest before, but right now we're looking for all kinds of activities.
Fun things. I know my kids, we've been cooking and baking a lot more in the kitchen than we normally would do. The next 10 that I did is you just get peanut butter filled pretzels, or if you can't find those, any types of pretzels, and marshmallows, and you just put those in. And then you add yourself in a little bit of fruit. And I did bananas. That's a healthy treat. I kind of like the sweet with the salty put in there. Marshmallows are not always the healthiest, but kids love marshmallows. Why not throw something in?
Right.
And then skewers. What kid does not love skewers? So instead of getting the big long skewers, I did toothpicks.
Love that
and
idea.
then you can pick out what fruits you like. So these are just like blueberries, raspberries, but you could do strawberries. You could do melons as they come into season and just have them skew up their fruit
and it's
put
so
it in a
colorful. It's so colorful, and like you said, you can switch it up. And again, it's a fun activity to get them involved.
Kids like to do that. They like to pick with them. Then they may have a little sword fight afterwards, but at least they're having fun along the way. The next one is a trail mix. So I did a whole grain goldfish, sneaking that whole grain with kids. And you'll just dump that into a bowl. Let me move that so you can kind of see. And you'll just dump that into a bowl and then get a trail mix. Kids a lot of times may go, not real sure, because a lot of times trail mixes this one has nuts in it, but it's also got dried fruit in it as well. And just pour those in and just kind of mix those together.
I like how you're mixing in a traditional cracker that
Yes,
most kids love with something a little outside of the box.
And then just dip those in, and that'll just give them something else for them to try. This one has yogurt bites in it as well. You could always get the trail mix, that has little chocolates or M&Ms, that kind of thing in there as well. But, that kind of adds it up, gets them in the kitchen, something that they can do, something that they can have fun with.
And Julie, it's so visually appealing, and so many of us, we eat with our eyes, and when it comes to kids, so many of them are picky eaters, and I think that this is a great way to get them to try things outside of their comfort zone.
And especially if you get them in the kitchen with you, then they're more than willing to try something new, especially, the hummus. My boys have kind of went, but I think they're both willing to, take a little stab at it and see if they might like it.
Yes. Well, Julie, you all do so much here in Warren County, especially during this time. And if anyone has any questions concerning 4-H, they can contact you.
So the number here at the Warren County Extension Office is 270-842-1681, or they can call me or email me at julie.brown@uky.edu.
Alrighty, Julie. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a great day.